So sometimes we just like to reinvent a basic, make it better, improve it, get the price point down. And I think we've done all of those things on this one right here. So we have our circle cutter. It just is a really great circle cutter, and it does what it says. It cuts amazing circles in a variety of sizes, anything from 4 inches up to 12 inches. It actually comes with 3 interchangeable blades. It comes with a little tool right here that you can use to easily and safely put the blades in place. One of my favorite features is it actually has the storage for the tool and the blades built into the underside. So to use it, you simply unlock this dial right here. It has a little arrow pointing to both inch and metric measurements. So let's say we wanted to cut an 8-inch circle. We're going to line it up to the 8 inches, and we're just going to turn this to lock it in place. Then we're going to simply put our cutter down on a mat, and then we're going to rotate it around. All right, and there we've cut out our perfect 8-inch circle. You can see some of the fun projects that our crafters have made, layering them, large sizes, small sizes. This is going to retail for $19.99, and it's available in April.